Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of a Happn account. So you have an Happn account that you use for your online dating and some other reason, and now you want to log out of that account for some reason but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of a Happn account in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log out of a Happn account is open a Happn application. Once you open a Happn application, you land on an interface like this. Now, in order to log out of a Happn account, what you want to do is go into your profile. So to go into your profile, what you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, you land on an interface like this. Now from here, what you want to do is go into the app settings option here. So tap on that option. Once you do that, you land in your app settings interface. Now here, from here, what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here you'll see an option labeled as logout. So in order to log out of the account, what you want to do is simply tap on that button. Once you tap on that button, you'll be asked whether you want to activate your invisibility cape. So if you want to do that, or if you want to really log out of the account, simply tap on the logout option just below it. Once you do it, you'll successfully log out of your Happn account in very easy way. So those are the simple steps in order to log out of your Happn account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.